Yeah, hello, beautiful people. Clinton here. So, welcome to my channel. If you're joining us for the first time, I really do welcome you here. Okay, guys, for today's video, I'm going to be talking about this new project, which is called the Hashflow. So, this token is actually being sponsored in the Binance Launchpool project. So, how can you be able to get this token from the Binance Launchpool? So, all you have to do is to go into your Binance. So right here now we are in the Binance homepage. You can actually go ahead and click on the spotlight here, and you can be able to go into the launch pool. But if you want to actually locate the launch pool, just come over to the end, hover above it, then go over to Launchpad. And once you're in the Launchpad, just go ahead and click on this part. As you can see now, it's remaining 25 days until this farming process is going to stop. This process is the part of this launch pool whereby you have to stake your BNB BUSD and get reward in HFT. As you can see here now, it's going to be 15 million of this token that everyone, no matter the number of people, this is going to be the maximum reward. So all you have to do is to stake some part of your BNB and your BUSD. So if you click on BUSD here, you can actually see that from here it's just going to show you the number of days. That's 30 days, and it's going to show you this annual percentage yield is going to show after it's going to be listed tomorrow, which is November 7th, tomorrow. Okay, so from here now you can actually see the total BUSD pool reward is this 3 million of the HFT. And if you go over to the if you go over to the BNB pool, I could have just clicked it from here. It's actually 12. Okay, so that's just it, guys. So once you stake your BNB or your BUSD, you can actually be getting this token in reward. So from here you can actually claim your reward, and you can actually see your reward coming in to your account every 1 hour. So from here I click on distribution history, and I can see I am actually accumulating this number of token every hour. I have a very low stake on this project. Actually, that's why I'm getting this low. So if you want to get the best out of this, try to stake something more. Like I prefer you staking your BUSD instead of staking your BNB, but either ways both of them are still perfectly great. So just put in what you actually, you're not going to be losing any money actually from this. You're actually going to be getting this token for free. Okay, so what you're going to be asking yourself now is what is the Hashflow actually? So if you want to say Hashflow, it's a decentralized exchange designed for interoperability and the zero spillage and the MEV protected trades. So guys, from here now we can see that this is actually the token type. It's an ERC20, but it also has I don't know, maybe in the future it's going to have like it's going to have other contract like the BNB and other stuff. Okay, so from here now, the maximum supply, as we can see here, the total and the maximum token supply is 1 billion HFT, and for the Binance Launchpool allocation, it's going to just be 1.5% of the total supply. The Binance Launchpool started November 1st actually. So guys, what makes this token actually very unique is that it has some unique stuff like as far as you can see from here, it's zero spillage, MEV resistance, and you can actually it's a bridgeless cross chain swap. So from there you can actually just be swapping within the cross chain. So I'm just gonna go ahead here and show you guys what the website looks like. So this is what the website looks like actually. And actually this Hashflow, it's actually a decentralized it's a decentralized project kind of a thing. As you can see from here, it says it's a decentralized design for interoperability, zero spillage, and MEV protected trades. It's just like the other kind of decks that we usually know, like Uniswap and the Sushi Swap and the Pancake Swap and the rest of them. But this one has these other features that makes it kind of different from all of other ones we used to know. So from here now, we can actually go ahead and you want to read the docs file, and this is what they're telling us. And once you go over to this part, Okay, now currently now it's saying that they have over 10 billion total trading volume, and Ethereum being the highest. And from here, just trade, no bullshit, no account. You don't need an account. There's no commission and no surprises actually. So from here now, you can trade cross chain, and it's been backed by very big name in the crypto space, the Dragonfly Capital, the Kronos, Coinbase Ventures. Okay, and much more over here. All right, so once you go over here, how do you connect to your wallet? Once you click on the launch app, it's going to take you to a fresh page. From here now, you can click on connect. Once you click on connect, you're going to select your network. I'm going to be actually, okay, it has Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Avalanche, Arbitrum, and Optimism. And you can actually connect with your wallet connect or your Coinbase wallet. So I'm going to choose BNB and wallet connect. So from here, I'm going to go into my mobile phone now. I'm going to go into my Trust Wallet. And once I'm in my Trust Wallet, I have to go over to settings, and I'll choose on the part that says scan QR code. And once I scan the QR code, okay, you can see right now, I've scanned the QR code, and I'll set my network to Binance Smart Chain, and I'll click on connect. So once I connect it, automatically it connects here. And that's just how to connect your wallet to this Hashflow exchange. All right, guys, this is basically everything I'll be talking about here. Do your own research. As everyone knows, you have to do your own research to come into this project. But as you can see, there is no harm in trying to get rewards in this token. You're not going to be buying it actually, you are just going to be earning it as a reward, and it comes in every hour. Okay guys, that's everything about this video. If you find it helpful, go ahead, give this video a like, drop a comment in the comment section, and you can actually tell me how many of the token you have actually acquired at the moment. As of the moment now, I've actually gotten rewards worth 5 of the Hashflow. Okay, I don't know what is going to be I don't know what's going to work in the future, but I think it's going to be something that is really good. Okay guys, see you guys on the next video, and have a nice day.